Okay, I just went down the bunny hill like 3 times for a refresher. Trust me, I needed it. Now we're gonna try ourselves on the big hills. I'm nervous.
So it might be raining in London, but we have driven up here to Collingwood. Today we are at Blue Mountain Ski Resort. Ready?
It's snowing, yeah.
We haven't seen snow in a few days.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Great.
I did not do it down that first section. Oh my god, that looked like a death trap for someone like me.
Did it.
I did a full starfish on the side of the mountain. It was good. Good thing it was a nice soft snow. Ow.
All right.
Professional snowboarding. Oh god. Oh my god. These new boots. They fit well. Too well.
All right, now that we got different shoes on, we can go find some lunch.
And I'm gonna go snowboarding after I drink this. That's good. Oh my god, my fuzzy peach.
All right, lunch at Wild Wings was pretty good actually.
Yes.
That was our first time ever eating there. Really good.
Those were good. I couldn't even eat them all. And the fish bowl?
We'll see if that helps her snowboard.
I don't think so.
Well, snowboard boots are back on. You ready to try this again?
Oh yes.
All right, round 2, down the hill.
Getting drunk from 7 to 3. Overindulged in flesh like it's free. We're on a fast ride where monkeys killing time with machines. Making love that we don't even feel. You don't even notice if it's her or it's me. But somewhere deep it's cutting like a knife, so you just kill it with that one. All of a sudden you are free.
All right, we've been snowboarding all afternoon. It is time for one more run, and then let's break for dinner.
I'm gonna spend it, filling up my house, my face, my body, and my tongue, 'cause I just wanna feel good. Using all that's left, somewhere in your chest, on your sweetheart here.
Are going to go grab some dinner at MJ Burns? Not sure how you pronounce it, but we're gonna go in anyways. Ooh, she's warm. Best part of staying in these hotels is the hot tubs right inside your hotel.
Alright guys, it is our second morning here at Blue Mountain. Our bodies are definitely feeling the effects of yesterday's fun. But now it is time to check out of this hotel before we hit the hill for a few more hours before we head home.
Before we do check out, let me give you a quick tour of this room. When we checked in here, we were lucky enough to get a room upgrade. So we ended up in a 1-bedroom apartment. We have a full kitchen here, complete with a dishwasher, stove, so you can bring all your food for cooking. It's perfect. A nice kitchen table, living room with a pull-out couch, fireplace, and a TV. We also got a little bonus feature, our very own balcony. And it looks up to the hill. Ooh, it's windy out this morning. Whew. You can see the snow hills right from our balcony. There's a full bedroom with a queen bed, a closet, and a full-size bathroom. But now it's time to check out. Let's go and hit the hills one last time.
All right, top of the hill, day 2. Yesterday we explored that side of the hill, mainly staying on the valley and village chairlifts. Today we're gonna go the other way and try and get to the south and orchard chairlifts.
We'll see how I do.
All right, let's go explore.
Of this lift, they even have an ice rink up here. I would love to try that someday.
So this is Ontario's first chairlift. They preserved it just as it was back in 1959. Imagine riding in one of those carts.
Lunch was delicious at Copper Blues, like super yummy. And now we're gonna hit the hills for a little bit more until dinner. I made it over to the Southern Comfort chairlift, and now I need to take a break. Chris is gonna do a run still, but I am lounging because my thighs are burning.
Finished. Whew, you did it.
I'm done. My legs are cramping really badly. Probably not the greatest time to decide to go for your first time snowboarding for the year.
Yeah, 2 days straight.
Yeah,
it's good.
Hard on the body.
Yeah, definitely.
But I still had fun.
Good. I'm glad you had fun.
Now I gotta go get a coffee and sit by the fire while Chris still snowboards. For our last meal, we're gonna have dinner here at Rusty's. Let's go. Ooh, I'm nipply. It's freezing.
It's definitely cold out there.
It's not actually that cold. It's only 1 degree, but
It feels cold out there.
without my snow pants, it's cold.
Dinner was fantastic. It was good.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I liked the atmosphere in there. It was fun.
Yeah. But now it is time to hit the road and drive back to London. Not our favorite part of any trip, but all good trips come to an end. So we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. They've made it different here now, so I don't know how to use it. I'm nervous.